Hey everyone! If you've been noticing your grocery bill shrinking just a little, you're not imagining things. Today, I'm breaking down the inflation trends for June 2025, and trust me, the numbers are surprising. Let's start with retail inflation, basically the rise in prices of things you and I buy every day. In June, retail inflation clocked in at just 2.1%. That's the lowest it's been in more than 6 years. The main reason? Food prices are cooling off and crude oil costs are sliding down. Now let's zoom out a bit and look at wholesale prices. The Wholesale Price Index, or WPI, actually went negative this month, down by 0.13%. That means, on average, prices for goods at the wholesale level actually fell compared to last year. And if we look at food specifically, wholesale prices for things like vegetables, pulses, and spices saw deflation of nearly 4%. That's a big drop from the previous month, and it's the sharpest since late 2023. What's driving all this? Experts point to a few things. First, solid agricultural output means there's plenty of supply. Second, the base effect. Basically, we're comparing to last year's sky-high prices, so the drop looks even bigger. Add in the continued slide in oil and gas prices, and you've got a recipe for falling inflation. Let's talk about the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, which reflects what households are actually paying. In June, food and beverages in the CPI dropped by 0.2%. That's a huge change from last year's 8.4% inflation for the same items. This is the 8th month in a row that food inflation has slowed down, which is a pretty strong trend. Meanwhile, fuel and light prices also eased off, down to a 2.55% increase after a negative stretch last year. And wholesale prices for crude petroleum and natural gas fell even harder, shrinking by more than 12%. So what does this all mean for you and me? In short, costs are stabilizing, and some things are even getting cheaper. If this trend continues, we could be looking at a more affordable few months ahead, especially when it comes to food and energy. Stay tuned for more updates like this, because understanding these trends can help you make smarter decisions every day. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and keep yourself in the loop.